I love making cocktails because I get to be creative and I love making customers happy. One of my cocktails is called One of my cocktails is called Sam is on fire. Burney. Sam represents Sambuca. So what we need first is chili padi. So I'm just going to put 3 slices in it. Then you're going to have a bit of fresh lemon. Then you're going to have a bit of olive brine. Then you're going to have the Bacardi, white rum. Add a bit of fresh pineapple. And I'm just going to shake this up real nice. It is a fun cocktail. It's going to be flaming everywhere. We have to be a bit careful about it as well because we don't want the customer with the end when the whole thing, right? I'm just going to dump it in my tiki mug. Add a bit of sambuca in it. Okay, it's some fire. The story of the cocktail is once upon a time, Sam played with fire. Sam died. End of story. And that's it. Don't play with fire. You can drink the fire, but don't play with the fire.